Hi everybody, Jackie here with Virteom, and I have Chris Spacek of Westside Roofing here with me today. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Good. So Westside Roofing, you guys have been around for over 90 years, and Virteom started working with you over a year ago, and now me and you have been in this video room doing these videos for a year. September 2018 is when we started, and I'm just kind of here to ask you how the work with Virteom has impacted your business.
Yeah, well, we think they're doing a great job. I did have a company that was out of state. I wanted to deal with somebody local out of Northeast Ohio, somebody hands-on, somebody I could visit and talk to, and I've been able to do that. Communication's great. I'm not really one for the camera, but I do like that Jackie makes it tolerable, and I can get through my nervousness, but it's been great. They have new ideas. Our website, I think, for roofing is one of the best websites out there, and it's a lot of pictures and details and blogs and Facebook. I love it. So.
And that's not to say that a lot of that didn't come from you. You guys are one of the best roofers around. Like I said earlier, you've been around for over 90 years. You do commercial, residential, and everything in between. You've provided us with great photos of your work, great information about your work. And as you said, you get to come in here and talk to us and be more hands-on. So we've gotten to learn a lot about you guys. And it's just been a really good recipe for success. I think that in your case, your ads, your new website, and these videos have all done very well from the digital marketing side and the statistics we see. So I'm glad it's impacting your business on a positive note as well.
Yes, and the transfer of our new, as you being the new SEO, was pretty flawless. So we love that, and we didn't miss anything. And our lead activity is up, and we're able to channel it with videos and pictures, and it tells people about the company. So
wonderful.
We love it.
Thank you so much for that testimonial and for letting us know how we've impacted your business. You guys, if you are looking for a roofer, especially if you're in Northeast Ohio, Westside Roofing is licensed in over 40 municipalities, and they do commercial, residential. They have a lot of equipment on hand, just anything that you need. They also specialize in churches on the commercial side, as well as multifamily condos and apartment complexes. So if you want to learn more about them, you can give them a call at 877-881-ROOF or visit them online at westsideroofing.com. Check out that website that we were just talking about. And again, thank you so much, Chris.
Okay, thank you.